Hello, people, welcome to our Films. Do you ever think about how much valuable time and money do you lose because you don't have your day planned? The average income difference between people who plan their day and people who don't is about $4,000 or around 2,98,000 Indian rupees. It's a huge difference. That's one of the biggest reasons right there in favor of why you should have a to do list. Now I'm going to give you 4 more reasons for why you should have a to do list. Number 1, it will make you feel good. When you write things down, you know exactly what to do, which makes you feel in control of your life. That feeling helps you reduce stress and you are more relaxed. When you check items off your list after completing them, it gives you a sense of accomplishment. This makes you happy. Number 2, it will help you achieve your goals. When you have a large goal, you might feel overwhelmed and that might cause procrastination. You can break down your big goals into smaller parts and list it in your to-do list, and you can work on them over time. It will make that overwhelming goal achievable. This planning process will make you more productive and help you achieve even larger goals. Number 3, it will save your time. When you don't have a to-do list, you waste a lot of your time. Every time you finish something, you spend a lot of time thinking about what to do next. This happens over and over throughout the day, and at the end of the day, you might not even realize that you have lost a lot of your valuable time. A to-do list solves this problem as you will have everything that you have to do listed and you'll know exactly what to do next. This simple thing will save you so much of your time. Number 4, it will make you reliable. A to-do list helps you remember things and helps you meet your deadlines. This makes you more reliable and also opens new doors for your career. A to-do list will help you manage your workload better and you'll learn to say no. It lets you know how much work you need to do. That way, you can plan your day accordingly. It's easier to manage everything when you know about the things that you have to do. This will help you never miss anything, which will increase your credibility and it will gain you a lot of respect. There are so many things in this world that could distract you, that will make you stray away from your path. Having a to-do list helps you become more focused on what you want to do and also skyrockets your productivity. Start having a to-do list today. I would love to know what you think about this video, so press like or dislike. And also please let me know in the comments if you want me to make a video on any specific topic. That's all for the day. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss a video.